Okay, I'd just like to quickly introduce the concept of threads and why they are useful in programming. Now, if just say you've got your application, you've got your text editor, or you've got STE, which is a Wikidot editor, you could, for example, run multiple things concurrently. You could import a page, you could export a page, and say preview a page, and open the settings dialog, and do something else. And you could all do each of those things one after the other, and you'd say do all of it will take say 20 seconds to do all of those things. However, in a multi-threaded application, you could have 5 threads to do 5 different tasks instead of 1 thread to do 5 tasks one after the other, and that means that all of those tasks are done at the same time, which means it finishes faster, and the program doesn't sit. Don't have a user sitting there waiting for the program to finish. So, just to demonstrate this, if I had one thread, if I had one task to do and I had 1 thread, it would start the task and it would end the task. If I had 5 tasks to do and 1 thread, it would start each task one after the other and finish it. So it would start task 0 and end it, and then it would start task 1 and end it, and it would start task 2 and end it, and so on. Now, if I was to say have 20 tasks to do and only 1 thread, this would take quite a while. So you can see it waits to start and finish each task before moving on to the next one, because each thread can only do one thing at a time. So it starts at 0 and ends at 19. That's actually 20 total. Now, if we had, say, 5 tasks and we had 5 threads, so we'll go back to 5 and 1 again to show you quickly. So you can see roughly how long that's going to take. If I was to say have 5 tasks and 5 threads, it would finish almost instantly, because each thread is doing a single task, and that means that they basically run at the exact same. They all run at the same time instead of waiting for the previous task to finish, and that means you are done quicker. Now, this is definitely apparent when you have high numbers. So just say we've got 100 tasks and only 10 threads. It's going to go through all of those 100 tasks, dividing them up into 10 threads. So just think of it like you're at a McDonald's store. You've got 100 customers all lined up, a very busy store, and you have 10 people at registers serving those 100 customers. Basically, you're going to get roughly about 10 customers going to each register, and you're basically dividing them up and serving 10 customers at a time. That's how threads work. You're doing 10 tasks at a time. Whereas if you had, say, 100 customers and only 1 cash register, you'd have to do one after the other, and it will take forever. Now, if we were to say 100 customers and 100 cash registers, it finishes almost instantly, because each cash register is only serving one customer, and it's basically instant. You've basically finished already. Of course, it will take forever to make all the burgers, but we're not talking about that here. So, I hope that explains tasks a bit better. I hope that explains threads a bit better. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.